Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Vogue. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth is on there, and we're keeping an eye out on the bottom here. But you can do one or two things. If you go to phone like so, there's no phones paired, there's nothing connected, so it's asking me to search new. Or alternatively, you see there, that's the menu screen. I'll just go out to the menu screen. I'll just go on to sat nav, the home menu screen there. Please connect device, please pair phone, nothing connected. So click please pair phone, and we come back to search new. Just light my screen up again. Click search new. Vehicle to device is best because it generates a random pin code rather than you having to put a pin code in here and then go and type it into the unit. That's just picked up somebody who's going past. The Peugeot. And somebody else, but Barry's iPhone 11's come up, so we'll click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 5678 on handset. 5678, and it's not usually like that. It's not usually a straight. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone. Range Rover connected. Phone connected. So that's that done.